Kung tatanungin niyo ako, Raiza, anong ginawa mo sa Korea? Or nasaan ka? Anong nangyari sa'yo last week? Anong ginawa mo? Ba't wala ka na namang boses ngayon? Well, I'm very much thrilled to let you know that yours truly had been invited to attend the ASEAN Summit na nangyari sa Busan, South Korea. And I'm gonna let you know more about it, so please do enjoy this. Today is officially the start of our ASEAN Summit Day. Ito ang dahilan kung bakit kami nandito nila Tony and Rai at tayo ay mag-i-explore. Ako personally, first time ko talaga sa ASEAN. As in, parang wow, diba? Eh, diba pinaghahandaan ng ASEAN? Dito rin, makikita mo sa streets, naka-flash yung mga flag na LED, parang LED style, yung mga flag ng mga ASEAN countries. Tapos, parang may mga welcome sa airport, mga ganun. Kaya, exciting para sa akin makita kung ano ba ang nangyayari sa ASEAN Summit. Nandito na kami sa venue and intense. Ang higpit pala talaga ng security nila dito. So, going, napakadaming police, ano sila, lahat ng mga naka-neon. Mga police na nakabantay, nagka-guard sila dito sa location ng ASEAN. Dahil syempre may mga national leaders na umaattend, may mga delegates. And so, kailangan talaga secure ang area. Sa Bexco ginanap yung ASEAN Summit or Busan Exhibition and Convention Center. To name the event specifically, it's the ASEAN Republic of Korea Commemorative Summit or ASEAN ROK. Here, national leaders discuss about different agendas including trade and investment. Kaya Amori Pacific takes pride in participating and having a massive booth to promote their world-class brands such as Sulwasu, Laneige, and Innisfree to name a few.
You need to do the agreement with like simple agreement.
Okay.
고민하시는 거 그냥 말씀해 주세요.
So do you have any concerns about your skin?
Oh, I have acne-prone skin.
이게 여드름이 쉽게 나는 그 피부를 가지고 계시고.
추가로 고민하시는
And anything else?
And it's just over-sensitive.
좀 예민하시다고. 네.
Sinimulan ko sa AOP booth para ma-experience yung skin technology innovative machine nila na tinatawag na AOP Bio Solution. Which is amazing kasi in-depth skin analysis yung ginawa sa akin. And in my case, my main concerns are number 1, hyperpigmentation and skin temperature. Apparently, kapag mainit ang balat, mas prone sa acne, which is hello, me. So regarding sa fine lines and wrinkles naman, I was told na healthy and wala akong masyadong wrinkles, which is good news. And from there, pinakita sa akin kung anong recommended product for my skin type. Nag-explore ako ng different products and meron akong bagong na-discover which is Tune. We pronounce it as Tune. Tune 28. So we are trying out the hand cream. This is perfect para sa mga naghahanap ng natural ingredients, sustainability. Is it like, vegan?
Yeah, it's all vegan. We don't test on it.
Cruelty-free. Yung costing ng product, mas maraming napunta sa ingredients mismo yung nasa loob kesa sa packaging. Kaya it comes in this really simple packaging, yet it doesn't feel, cheap. It doesn't feel like it's gonna break anytime soon. It does feel sturdy and it's travel-friendly. Susubukan ko itong foundation nila in cushion form. Ito yung tsura ng cushion and as I mentioned, maganda talaga yung packaging. Baka medyo maputito, so medyo dadahan-dahanin ko. It's nice. Ano siya? It's like you've already powdered. Is it matte finish? Because on the skin, it's not dewy. It's not overly dewy. It's like soft matte, semi-matte. Ganda naman. Ito yung tipo ng powder na parang may mesh cloth. Tapos, maglalabas siya ng product. And sobrang pino. Si Rai dito nagaan. Ganda sa iyo niyan. Tingnan mo.
Ang ganda ng lip gloss. As in, parang ang juicy ng lips ko. Oh, alam mo?
Bagay sa'yo.
I mean, look at that. I mean...
Nakilala kay Dear Dahlia as parang may mga products sila na multi-use. For example, this one. Ito yung parang mga eyeshadow nila and multi-use products. Itong dalawang to, pareho silang powder which can be used for eyeshadow and blush, I think. So, sinubukan ko yung blush and it's amazing. Sobrang, ayun o, agad dyan, kumukulay. Yun. And pigmented and it's soft and velvety. Akala ko eyeshadow. Tapos pagkasubok ko parang, wow. Hindi ko natiis. Kaya susubok ko na yung lip products nila. Meron sila dito, parang, ano to? Basta yung mattifying lipsticks nila dito na super nice. Filipino yung nagsasalita. Sorry may ano, lagi. Ito siya ganun. Parang tayo lang ba tao dito sa mall?
Just ko sana, after mo dyan, bumaral tayo.
Sige. Saan gusto mo mag-picture? Saan magandang yan. Ito na yung Suwasu booth. This is telling my viewers this is the Suwasu booth. Essence Nice, is this one of the best sellers?
Yes. Yeah, because I did one product for us 10 seconds.
You sell one
Yeah.
product in every 10 seconds.
Yeah.
Wow.
For 10 seconds because this was the best seller in our brand.
Will I look like Song Hye Kyo after?
Yeah, right. Did you see the model?
Yeah, it's Song Hye Kyo,
Yeah,
right?
right.
What's the main ingredient?
The ginseng. Ginseng's the roots. Ginseng's the roots. And this one is the time further inflating the serum below the eye essence. It's more like a really light serum. So I would like to recommend this one is first, and next you can try this one second.
Mostly, what's here is this water bank hydro essence from Laneige. Would you say this is your bestseller?
Oh, that is best.
This is the bestseller, the hydro essence. I feel like I'm pretty sure I've tried this before, and this works really. It's really nice in such a way that every time I use it, there's like the glow, instant glow on your face, and when you use it with other products as well, like the sleeping mask, the next day your skin feels very supple. Ito yung kanilang bagong product, ang tawag sa kanya, layering cover cushion and concealing base. Oh my god, merong dalawang cushion sa isa. Oh, nice, hindi siya maputi at all. At ayun ang alam ko sa Laneige, hindi siya yung sobrang puti talaga. Parang sakto pa rin siya sa kahit sa skin ng Filipina. Ayan o. At ang bango niya. Tapos ito naman yung concealer. This one is the concealer, right?
Yes, that is
Wow. At hindi din siya maputi. Nandito na tayo sa Innisfree. We're here now at Innisfree booth. What do we have here?
Okay. So Innisfree is the first natural brand in Korea. So the
Innisfree is the first natural brand in Korea. Wow. Meron moisturizer. Is this moisturizer?
It's our cream.
A seed cream.
This is cream and this is ginger. It's more concentrated on moisturizer.
Okay, can we try this out? Oo nga. Na-feel ko nga na mas makapal siya. It's like thicker.
Yes, more thick texture.
From there, nag-explore lang ako ng products nila. Number one, doon ko nalaman na they invested sa Dear Dahlia, and also they're coming up with this tailored, customized mask machine kung saan parang sobrang sakto ng mask na gagawin nila for your face. Those types of innovation and those types of technology nandun sa booth. New products to explore, machine, gadgets, beauty care. And it was so cool na ma-experience na alam ko at one point merong importanteng tao sa likod ko while I was vlogging. And I sensed na importante siya dahil may security sa likod niya, may camera na sumusunod sa kanya, and she looked important. And it was fun to witness that. And after our whole exploration and our whole visit sa booth, they gave us a huge loot and oh my God, this is what I'm excited about dahil i-haul ko sa inyo itong binigay nila na products. Marami pa nangyari sa araw na yun pero abangan nyo na lang sa susunod na vlog at antabayanan ninyo because sobrang saya nito. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much again, Amore Pacific, for inviting me sa ASEAN Summit. It was such an honor to be part of that event. Thank you guys so much. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this a thumbs up. At saka don't forget to get subscribed and notified by clicking the bell button below. You may also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, all at Raiza Contawi. For more information, ilalagay ko sa description box. See you again and take care. See you on the next vlog. Bye!